Microsoft on Tuesday said it started rolling out the next major update to its Windows 11 PC operating system. The new version contains a chatbot called Copilot that bears some resemblance to startup OpenAI's popular ChatGPT. Copilot is a generative artificial intelligence that can create human-like text and other content with just a few words of human direction. It relies on underlying large language models that Microsoft-backed OpenAI has trained on voluminous sets of data to compose email text, answer questions and automatically perform actions in Windows, augmenting its knowledge with information from websites. Microsoft upgraded its Bing search engine with a chatbot earlier this year, and now a variation is enhancing the latest version of the world's most widely used PC operating system. Meanwhile, later this week, the company will start selling the Microsoft 365 Copilot, an AI add-on for corporate workers that use its productivity apps. PC-specific features in the Windows Copilot include the ability to open apps, switch to dark mode, turn on Bluetooth and get guidance on making a screenshot. While you're looking at a website in the Edge browser, you can have the Copilot come up with a summary of what's on the page. On Apple's Mac computers, people can have conversations with the Siri assistant, but its answers aren't as detailed as those from Windows Copilot. Windows 11 now represents about 24% of desktop PCs, according to StatCounter data, while Windows 10, which will be supported until October 2025, controls almost 72% of the market. After that, Windows 11, which debuted in 2021, could become more popular. We are seeing accelerated Windows 11 deployments worldwide from companies like BP, Eurowings, Kantar and RBC, Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella said on a conference call with analysts last week. Windows remains important at Microsoft, providing 1/10 of total revenue. Microsoft wants to keep Windows relevant because it's a foundation for the company's Microsoft 365 productivity applications and a springboard for growth in the Azure public cloud. Copilot is probably the biggest part of this year's Windows 11 release. Some people are already using Copilot, by way of a continuous innovation release that Microsoft issued in September. The process gives the company a way to provide new features to customers a few times a year, rather than sticking to the previously announced annual schedule. When you click on the new Copilot icon in the taskbar or hit the Windows +C keyboard shortcut, you can bring up a panel on the right side of your display where you can have a text conversation with the new virtual assistant. It's meant to be more capable than Cortana, which Microsoft introduced in 2015 with the launch of Windows 10 and has been gradually eliminating. Here's a list of some of the other new features of the Windows 11 2023 update, also known as 23H2. Some of these features might not work right away and will appear in the new update over time.